this is a really interesting device. It's an Android smartphone dedicated to warehousing needs, I guess. It has a built-in barcode scanner, which is amazing for what I need. Now, I'm gonna power it up, unlock the screen. Now, on the right-hand side, you will see the mirror version of this. However, what I wanted to show you is the actual laser. I'm not sure if you can pick it up. The moment you press the blue button, the laser comes on and you can scan things, and that's going to be super useful for my app. So to do the next bit, I'm gonna get rid of this phone and do everything on the actual physical device from now on. Okay, so to make my life and everyone's life easier, I created an app called GebApp. I know, super original, using Monaca. So it's a hybrid. Yeah, it's not nothing too fancy. However, what I do like about it is that I've added a settings section. So I got a password for the administrator, and the admin can change the URL of the server, okay, and also change the password. I already see there is a problem that the edge is floating up when the keyboard, but yeah, that's something I need to correct, doesn't matter. So this is the URL of my GebWMS server. So when I click on the big icon here, I get the login string and I can type in my credentials, go to the app, and I don't know, have a look at the users, for instance, right? So that's all amazing. That's what I wanted, like a mobile app experience for the web interface, okay? Because now on the screen, this is all web interface, obviously, and it will work on the tablet or a smartphone that has a web browser, but having the app experience is so much better. So now, let me just show you that I'm not talking absolute rubbish here. I'm gonna change the settings of the URL. So no admin needs to contact me if they deploy it. They can just literally have some autonomy and control certain aspects of the system. So when, for example, they change location and there is a different IP address for the server now, this app doesn't need to be rebuilt and reinstalled on every device and someone has to ask me to do it. No, it's just they can do it themselves on the few devices they have. So that's to give the IT people some easier life. So as you can tell, I've changed the URL and it's pointing now to Doodle. Rather useless, but just to show you that things can be changed. And I'm not talking absolute nonsense. Let's try admin as a password, and it says incorrect password, so just to show that everything is working. So yeah, that's it. A very simple little utility that will be available for free, of course, after I polish a few other things, with the GebWMS experience that I'm trying to work on and get ready, and all the fun stuff. So yeah, that's it, and thanks for watching. Hopefully that made sense. If you have questions, just ask, fire away. All right, cheers.